Hi, I'm Tim Miller with Plus Technologies, and today I'm going to be talking about how cloud-based printing can save you money. In today's business world, if you want to allow a remote user or someone off-site to gain access to certain network resources, you would use a traditional VPN connection to do so. Now, VPN technology has been around for a long time. It's very well established. However, there are issues associated with using that technology. For one, it's very expensive, and there's really no way to get around that. Number two, from a system administrator standpoint, it becomes a headache to implement, and not only implement, but also to maintain. And then number three, there's vulnerabilities using VPN technology. You're allowing all these people to come in through VPN tunnels and access your network. You open yourself up to possible virus or network threats by doing so. So instead of using a traditional VPN technology, you might want to look into cloud-based printing if printing is all you're concerned about. So I'll give you an example. Let's say that you are sitting at a Starbucks enjoying a fresh cup of coffee, and you find something on the internet. You've been searching, you find something on the internet that interests you. You want to print that information out. You'd hit File Print, and up would come your list of printers, and your home printer would be listed there. You would select that, and when you got home later that night, the document would be waiting for you. So cloud-based printing allows you to print from virtually anywhere in the world to a specific printer. So we here at Plus Technologies have developed a product called OM Plus iSat that takes advantage of cloud-based printing. Now, there are some scenarios where cloud-based printing through iSat would be beneficial to you. I'll give you a few examples. If you are an application provider, let's say that you provide healthcare software such as Epic to doctors' offices, or maybe like remote clinics or remote laboratories. Those employees could pull down documents and print those documents out at their site, all without ever touching your network. There's no need for them to be participants on the network as far as they don't need user accounts and user information. A second scenario would be a small business who may be expanding into a second location. So if you needed to print something like labels, the employees at the secondary location could pull those labels down and print those out at that location, all without touching the network. And then the third scenario would be a mobile worker, someone who maybe works from a home office that's far, far away. They could pull documents down and print those out to, let's say, like a local desk jet. So the benefits of using OM Plus iSat over a traditional VPN are costs. The cost savings is significant. Two would be there's no VPN security problems. So from a security standpoint, OM Plus iSat operates off of a secure encrypted technology. It doesn't require them it doesn't require the users to join a network. Three would be bandwidth. So there is no bandwidth issues associated with using OM Plus iSat, and it's not a persistent connection that requires a lot of bandwidth. Three, there's advanced troubleshooting and audit logs in the software, so that if you need to track down a problem, that is at your disposal. So if OM Plus iSat is something that you might be interested in, or maybe you're interested in some other products that we provide here at Plus Technologies, you can contact us at www.plustechnologies.com, or you can contact us by phone at 877-899-7587. Thank you.